Alright, so today we are talking about enums in Rust. So what is an enum? Enum is a structure that you'd use to keep different things that are related interconnectedly to each other, or have a near connection to each other. And the example here given as the IP address. So there are two types of IP address, version 4 and version 6, and the things has been written as this. So let's do the example here. Okay, enum IP address, and we might have a version 4 and version 6. So let's make an variable. Let 4 equals to IPADDR v4. Let's make it v6. This is 6. Okay. Let's try to print it. Four. So I guess we have to use the debug trait here. So for that is to derive debug. Okay, oh sorry, let's give in here. I'll convert the identifier to upper camel case. So it wants us to write this in capital letters. So that's a warning. I guess we have a value anyways, but that is how Rust wants us to write the code. Okay, we haven't used the variable, so it wants us, again it's a warning. Yeah, so this is the value, and this is just the simple way, I would say. So it might be something like I32. It might be I32. Let's do that. And okay, so let's not write everything, but it is just an example. Let's write 10. Let's write 20. And what will be the answer? Okay, so it gives us a value, and you need to understand that we have given a value type here. So that's I32. v4 will only accept I32 type value, that is a 10. Means it will only take the signed integer. Okay, and we can do much more to enum than just printing out things, right? So what do we have here? Okay, so we have none, some. We have already done this. So match is another keyword that will come in handy and will go hand to hand with enum, and we'll see why that is. Okay, let's see. Okay, Let's suppose we have or let's just do now let's keep the value in some variable output out. Let's try that. Match 4 and we are matching for the enum type, that is okay. So if the enum type is IP address, that is v4 val, okay, then we return the value. Okay, what will we do? Let's give yes. It will be a slice string, yes. And let's do IP address v6. So we are ignoring with the value with underscore. Let's do nothing. Okay, let's try to print that out. Okay, let's run. Okay, this is found to be of type str, so this is we need the same type of return. Okay, and no, okay, val, we haven't used the val. Okay, all right. Okay, let's just ignore the value anyways for now. So the value is yes. Maybe let's not give a value here and return the value anyways. Let's remove the underscore. Let's return the value. Okay, and let's not return anything. This might give an error, but yeah, as expected. So it will not take nothing on, so it needs something of value, maybe 0. Okay, so the value is 10 and we get the value 10. So it's more like if and else, but it is more structured, and we can do much better operation with match with enum than the if else thing. So more or less the enum and the match works just side to side this way, and you need to understand that if you are trying to select something out of enum, you also need to match for all the other output types. So if you would not like to do that, maybe let's do, I think this will work, but yeah, so if you do not like to check for all the other things, then you can just give an underscore and that will output 0. This means you will not check for anything else than IP address v4. If it is anything other than IP address v4, then it will just return the 0. In this case we only have v4 and v6, but we could have a lot many, so we could just check for v4 and just return 0 for everything else. So yeah, this is all about enum and match in Rust. Okay, So if you learn anything from this video, so you could support the channel by subscribing it. So I think this is all about it, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.